Just maybe one of the nicest ones I've seen. It's a 1971 Mustang convertible. Now, they did not make a Mach 1 in a convertible, but if they did, this is the car. All the Mach 1 options. It's a 4-speed, Hurst shifter, Ram Air, 351, everything you want. A 71 Mustang right here. Beautiful convertible. White top is like brand new. Red, black accents. White convertible top, power top, works flawlessly. She's running right now, she runs beautiful. I just took her for a ride, shifts through the gears flawlessly. Just a really, really nice 71 convertible, beautiful condition, one owner car. This car's been owned by the same person. He came back from Vietnam, bought the car like brand new. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. You might not find the nicest 71 convertible anywhere loaded like this. The right wheels, Magnum 500s, gorgeous.